Welcome to the session of Qualitative Research Data Collection. Let's start with some basic assumptions that I assume you have gathered so far. To start with, methodology is not the same as methods. So what we're talking about today is methods and not so much the methodological underpinnings of those methods, which you will have covered already in the course. Another basic assumption which may be relevant to our discussion is the distinction between inductive and deductive research. In particular, the fact that inductive research starts from data and ends up with a theory, while deductive research starts with a theory and tests it against data. The final basic assumption I'm starting from is that there are ontological and epistemological justifications to you choosing a particular research methodology, and then that impacts upon you choosing a particular type of research methods, qualitative or quantitative. Furthermore, even if you choose to use qualitative data for your research, for example, you may still choose to analyze that quantitatively, and the other way around. You may choose to do research with quantitative data and analyze it qualitatively. Therefore, the choice of data collection and data analysis, in particular the type of data collection and the type of data analysis, lies in the middle of what Saunders aptly calls research onion, and it is surrounded by a number of methodological layers which really justify your choice of the middle layer. Let's look at a more simplified version of Saunders' research onion right here, with fewer options perhaps, options that are mostly used by students and researchers in business and management. Now that we've established what research philosophy is, what research approach represents, research strategies and so on, and how they all lead you in a particular direction, let's tackle in this session the qualitative data collection methods. These methods are basically rigorous means of collecting data so that the conclusions they produce are credible and defensible. Given that qualitative data takes the form of narrative as opposed to quantitative data which takes the form of numbers, qualitative data can be obtained through a variety of ways, ranging from interviews to focus groups, observation, and why not secondary data, so qualitative secondary data which you didn't collect yourselves, but you would find nevertheless in a variety of sources. Qualitative research data are consistent with the following research designs: case study, ethnography, action research, and grounded theory. You will have covered these research designs in your previous sessions in this course.